Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and comparison about these two platforms, which is SugarCRM and Close CRM. So to get started with a quick overview, SugarCRM is a highly customizable enterprise-level CRM solution that supports advanced automation, AI-driven sales forecasting, and both cloud on and on-premises deployment. It's built for large organization with a complex sales and a support processes. Talking about Close CRM on the other side is a modern sales-focused CRM tailored for insider sales teams. It emphasizes calling, emailing, and SMS in one streamed platform, making it ideal for startup and SMBs that prioritize outreach and closing deals quickly. Now, I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for. So SugarCRM is best for enterprise needing a full-featured CRM with a deep customization and a automation. And I'm talking about Close CRM on the other side. This platform is best for inside sales teams needing an all-in-one outreach and a pipeline CRM. So talking about the overall conclusion about this. So choose a SugarCRM if you are growing enterprise needing AI-powered insight and a deep CRM customization, just go for SugarCRM. Then on the other side, if you're running a fast-paced sales teams that value communication, speed, ease of use, and built-in outreach tools, just go for Close CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.